An interview doesn't have to be a daunting experience. It's your opportunity to meet with us and allows us to get to know the person behind the application. We use the interview process to assess your commitment to your chosen course, ensure you will uphold the values expected by the profession and are fit enough to care for others in a professional setting. It's also your opportunity to decide if we are the right fit for you and you can see yourself studying with us. So, what will the interview look like? The interview panel will consist of a lecturer, a clinician, and in many cases, a service user. They will ask you a series of questions about your chosen discipline, your understanding of the role, and the qualities needed. Remember, this is your opportunity to think about how your talents, skills, and experience relate to what we're looking for in a future nurse or midwife. Here are some top tips to consider before your interview. Familiarise yourself with your application form and personal statement beforehand. Review the sample interview questions, which can be found on our website. Prepare some examples that allow you to reflect on your skills and any relevant experience. Rehearse your answers so you're clear on what you'd like to tell us at the interview. First impressions count. Plan your journey, arrive on time, and dress appropriately. Be confident, be calm, and be yourself. To help you feel even more prepared for your interview, we offer you the opportunity to book a mock interview with us. This is a great opportunity to practice and develop your answers to commonly asked questions, and will give you a feel for what to expect on your actual interview day. You can book a mock interview through our website, where you will also find further advice, guidance, and tips on the interview process.